This morning we woke up to very heavy deployment of the military and police surrounding all our home. And when my security guard went to find out what's happening together with my gardener, they were arrested, beaten up, bundled into a waiting drone and driven away. Until now, we don't know where they've been taken. All our gates have been blocked by military trucks. The hind gate and the front gate are all blocked. The roads leading to our home have been, roadblocks have been mounted there. It's unfortunate that Museveni puts me under house arrest when I'm supposed to be in Kayunga campaigning for our candidate. And yet he is using taxpayers' money to go and campaign in Kayunga. It's very unfortunate that they continue to behave this way. But my message to the people in Kayunga is that you can take this upon yourselves. I encourage all our leaders to go to Kayunga, make sure you guard the vote, because I'm confident we are winning that vote. But we only need to guard the vote. Go right ahead and vote for Nakwede Harriet Kafero and guard the vote, because the voice of the people should prevail and reign supreme.